Welcome to Glacier Bay National Park. I'm Ranger Bekah. Today we're in the Beardslee Islands and we kayaked here today. We came along with some researchers to set up a sound station. We're hoping to develop a sound map of the bay. So sound stations have been set up throughout the park. They'll record and monitor sounds in those areas and give us a better idea of the use that's going on in that area. Specifically, we're hoping to understand how vessel noise permeates into the wilderness of Glacier Bay. We might also get some natural sounds on our microphone. We'll see. The Beardslee Islands in the southern part of the park is considered wilderness waters. And you may have heard of the idea of wilderness in national parks, but actually the waterway that we paddled through to get here today is considered wilderness. And so no motorized vessels are allowed in this area, which means that we take kayaks to get here, and that's how most visitors enjoy this area of the park as well. Today we left our park headquarters in Bartlett Cove this morning. We paddled out here to the Beardslee Islands and we'll be headed back in about an hour or so. Near the end of summer, scientists will come back to pick up this sound station and analyze the data. We'd love to see you back in Glacier Bay on your next virtual visit.